Hey guys, it's me, Paige, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a makeup tutorial on how I went from this to this. I'm also going to be revealing my steps and products that I use to achieve this makeup look. So let's get straight into the video. You want to make sure that your face is clean. You do not want to apply makeup to a dirty face because your application isn't going to go well. The first product we're going to use is Aquaphor for moisturization. I'm just going to apply this product over my face. I'm not going to do too much, but I'm going to do enough that covers my entire face. The next product we're going to use is the e.l.f. Dewy Primer. I actually really love this primer. It gives a very moisturized look, yet it holds your makeup down all day.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay.
Next, I'm just going to dry my face to make sure that the primer stays. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo brush and just simply brush my eyebrows up and shape them the way that I prefer.
30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations. Child.
I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer and just shape underneath of my brows to give them that arched look. And you want to apply this underneath your brows with a flat brush.
I guess we could do it in French. Wow.
I'm also going to apply the concealer in the middle of my brows.
So mean, it's child for now, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italia, child for now, child. Yeah, she make it shake, breaking that back till the back break. Wow.
After I shape my brows, I go in with the concealer and go underneath of my eyes.
Yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for.
After I apply the concealer, I go in with my flat brush and just kind of blend it out. I also do this on my chin and under my nose.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations. Child. She don't want her much, she want Amex and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no I never pressed the time. Took a money, make it to my lobby, it can't be prime. Turn policy, she can't be mine. Nah.
I go in with my e.l.f. putty brush just to blend in that concealer to give it that natural effect.
Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations. Child.
You friended me up so we could connect. And what are the odds? You sent me a text and now the next thing I know I'm like, manifest that you're oversized. I digress, got me scrolling like out of breath, got me going like, who's the cute boy with the white jacket and the thick accent? Maybe it's all now.
After I'm done with the e.l.f. brush, I go in with the circle eyeshadow brush and basically blend underneath of my brows.
Hey, but I bet we not really good back. How you pick me up, pull down, turn me around, no it just makes sense. How you talk so sweet when you're doing bad things, that's bad. How you looking at me, I know what that means.
Next, I'm going to use my Ulta Beauty Contour Palette for my eyeshadow base.
Are you free next week? I bet we'd have really good. Come around with me.
I'm going to use this fluffy eyeshadow brush to basically blend it in above my eyelid.
Camaraderie. Said you're not in my time zone, but you want to be. Where art thou? Why not upon with me? See it in my mind, let's fulfill the prophecy. Who's the cute guy with the white blue eyes and the big bad?
Next, I'm going to go in with my MAC eyeshadow palette and just apply black on top of that brown and kind of give it that smoky eye look.
But I bet we had really good back. How you pick me up, pull down, tell me around, no, it just makes sense. How you talk so sweet when you're doing bad things, that's bad.
After I do that, I'm going to go in with this blue color and just apply that on top of my lid, kind of at the bottom, but also angling it upwards.
How you looking at me? I know what that means in love test. Are you free next week? I bet we'd have really.
I'm going to then go in with the LA Girl concealer and kind of just clean up the excess eyeshadow on the side of my eye.
And I bet we both forgot at the same time. And I bet the thermostat says 6'9". And I bet it's even better than mine. But I bet we'd have really good back. How you pick me up, pull down, tell me around, no, it just makes sense. How you talk so sweet when you're doing bad things, that's bad.
Next, I'm going to go in with the Morphe Banana Rich Loose Powder and just set the concealer underneath of my eyes. I'm going to use this vegan eco powder applicator to apply the loose powder.
How you looking at me? I know what that means in love test. Are you free next week? I bet we'd have really good. No, no, no. No, no, no.
While I'm waiting on the loose powder to set, I'm just going to apply my Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit.
It's so silly of me to act like I don't need you back. When
Now I'm going to go in with the Night Moth MAC lip liner. I'm just going to go around and line my lips.
all I can think about is us since I seen you last.
Then I'm going to go in with my angled brow brush. Yes, angled brow brush. And I'm going to blend in the liner.
I didn't have to walk away. All I had to do was ask for space. I'm telling you, be on your way. When I told you to fall back, so can you come back?
I'm now going to go in with the NYX Sugar High Butter Gloss.
Your clothes, I had them folded. Meet me at the door.
Now I'm going to use my blush brush to basically blend in that loose powder so that it doesn't give off an ashy look.
Still open. I know it's getting cold out, but it's not frozen. So come pick up your clothes.
I'm going to then go in with my Ulta Beauty contour palette and contour underneath of my cheekbones. Now I'm going to use my other blush brush and basically apply blush to my cheekbones. I'm going to do this up in an upwards and downwards way instead of doing it in a circular position because I do not want to look like a clown. Then I'm going to go in with my Eco Powder applicator and apply this underneath of that blush and contour to give it an effect. Now I'm going to use my e.l.f. Ultimate brush and blend that in as well. And voila, here's the end results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.